Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Because of the 125th anniversary of Salesian presence in the city of Livorno, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime visited the seaside city on Saturday 27th May and Sunday 28th May. For the occasion, the Salesian parish, named precisely after Don Bosco, organized 2 days filled with appointments and events under the banner of Don Bosco's motto, Happy in Time and Eternity. During these 2 days, the 10th successor of Don Bosco animated the local Salesian family and indicated the paths to follow in order to remain always meaningful and attractive to young people. A solemn Eucharist was celebrated at the Santa Rosa Salesian School in Huancayo to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the arrival of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Huancayo. The main celebrant was Father Juan Pablo Alcas Michilot, Superior of the Salesian Province of Peru, PER. The exciting celebration was accompanied by the members of the San Jose Obero Salesian community, Father Julio Berora, Rector of the community, Father Freddy Valdivia, Pastoral Coordinator, and Father Juan Espinoza, responsible for the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians. It was a moment of gratitude and joy for the journey made over the years. At the beginning of the celebration, the provincial, in addition to welcoming young people, families and authorities, joyfully said, "The Lord has been great." The Lord wanted the love of Mary Help of Christians and the love of Don Bosco to make us Salesians. All of us here continue the Salesian journey. Before concluding the solemn Eucharist, a group of teachers at the school read a message of thanksgiving for the 100 years of Salesian presence. Arise. It is the title of the original music created by the Art and Sal Amateur Theatre Company at the Don Bosco Youth Centre, run by the Salesians at Funchal. In a world where selfishness reigns, where altruism is scarce and the definition of humanity fades, this is the musical we wanted to raise awareness among young people and everyone in general to change things, explained the members of the theatre company. Inspired by the figure of Pope Francis, who appears among the characters of Arise, and his texts and various interventions during his pontificate, the show tells the story of two young women from different family and social backgrounds who will learn essential values such as solidarity and fraternity. Arise has its own script, staging, production and original music, and has involved months of work by the cast and crew. The show had 4 performances at the Madeira Congress Centre in Funchal on the 27th, 28th and 29th of May, with 2 sessions dedicated to schools on the island for a total of about 2,000 spectators. We believed in it and we were able to take the project forward and show the audience that life involves humility, understanding, care and attention, not only for ourselves but also for others, said one of the female actors. Arise is the 5th musical staged by Art and Sal since 2013. The 22nd edition of Orawa for the Children of Africa was held on the 28th of May at the initiative of the Salesian Modzi Uatu Missionary Volunteer Movement SWM in Krakow, in the Salesian province of Krakow PLS, and in collaboration with the municipalities of Jabong and Lipinka Welia. It was linked, as always, to a charitable purpose. The volunteers, accompanied by Salesian priests, went to the 12 parishes in Orawa and during masses offered their testimonies, asking the support for the children of the Don Bosco Boys Town Technical School in Nairobi, Kenya. The project plans to provide meals for the young students at the school. A sum of 53,291 zloty was collected to meet these needs, a sum equivalent to 11,908.62 euro. A leadership day was held for young people from various groups of the Salesian movement SYM from the Cario Crespi area in Cuenca on Saturday 3rd June at the facilities of the Unidad Educativa Técnico Salesiano. The activities carried out allowed the 171 young participants to have a formative and festive experience through which the identity of the SYM was strengthened and the theme of the integral ecology was addressed in preparation for the National Congress. The meeting ended with the Eucharistic celebration. The event was led by Father Miriku Leme, Youth Ministry Delegate, Dominica Cardenas and Angel Suiku, Technical Secretary of the SYM. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.